Hey guys, it's Elizabeth with Little Merbraids. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Get Ready With Me with my half up Topsy tail tutorial. I washed and let my hair dry the day before, and today I am going to curl it with the Rusk Curl Freak. I bought this curling iron contraption a couple of years ago when I was visiting my sister down in California, and I love it. I love the way it pulls my hair in and holds the curl, and it beeps when it's done. For me, it's just a faster and easier way to curl my hair. It usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, and I really love the curl that I get. So when I curl my hair, I split it in half and I do the left side all facing the same way towards the back, and then I do the right side the same way, all the same curl towards the back. Sometimes I do alternate curls on either side, but usually and lately I've just been doing each side facing the same way. I just like the way it looks. Like I said, it doesn't usually take me too long to curl my hair. Once I have it all curled and the way I like it, I will let it sit and cool for a little bit just to hold the curl a little better. And then this morning, I let it cool while I changed into the dress I'm going to wear. Once I feel like my hair is ready, I finger comb through the curls to separate them. I don't ever brush my curls the same day that I curl them, just because that would pull out more curl than I would want. So I just use my fingers and comb through. And then to start the Topsy tail, I pull 2 small sections from either side of my head. I twist them back away from my face. I get my rubber band ready, and I connect them and tie them together in the middle back of my head. Once I have the pony rubber band off, I flip it through, tighten it, and then I go back and tug on the outside edges of the twist to give it more fullness. Once I've given each side a good tug, I tighten the hair once again, and I pull 2 more small sections from either side of my head and repeat the process. I twist them back away from my face. This time, instead of tying it off in the middle of my head, I pull it over to the side and rubber band it off so it's a little off center. Then I flip it, tighten it, and tug the outer edges of the twist. For my third and final twist back or Topsy tail, I'm going to repeat the process, and this time tie it off in the middle of my head again, just like the first one. If I were going to continue the Topsy tail all the way down, I would alternate sides for tying it off. So I would do more off center on the left side, and then the next one more off center on the right side. But because this is the final one, I'm just going to pull it back to the middle, where I once again flip it and then tighten it, and lastly tug on the edges to give it more fullness. I really like the look of the twists when you tug on the edges. It does make it more full, it gives it a softer look, and I think it makes it look a little bit more fancy. And who doesn't want fancy? Now that I have my half up Topsy tail, I pull on the edges around my face to give it a little bit more shape, and I am done. And now I'm going to get my girls ready. Riley wanted flat iron curls today, so after I blew her hair dry, we went through and with the flat iron curled her hair. And Avonlea wanted double braid back into a braided bun. And this is the finished look. All cute and ready for church. Double braids back into a braided bun. Flat iron curls. And the half up Topsy tail. This dress I won in an Instagram giveaway a couple years ago that Annie's Forget-Me-Nots was doing, and I was so excited because I think it is so pretty and I love wearing it. Thanks again for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a comment letting me know what other tutorials you would like.